The New York Botanical Garden continues its beloved tradition with the 27th annual Holiday Train Show. This year's theme is Lower Manhattan. The landmarks are each recreated with tree bark, pine cones, leaves, and other natural materials.
It's all New York landmarks that are recreated in miniature here at the garden, and we have G-scale model trains that are intertwined throughout the entire exhibition.
There are more than 175 New York landmarks, and each year more collections are added, like the Terminal Warehouse, One World Trade Center, and for the first time, it would feature two vintage ferry boats from the early 1900s.
It takes a team of maybe more than 24, about 2 weeks to set everything up. The team from Applied Imagination works with our garden staff to really transform the entire special exhibition houses of the conservatory into what you see here now.
After the Holiday Train Show, our BronxNet cameras captured the Christmas tree and menorah lighting with holiday performances from Celia Cruz Bronx High School Choir and the Fordham Hot Notes.
Some Christmas and Hanukkah music. So we're singing songs called X Factor, everything from that to All I Want for Christmas Is You, to Silent Night, Carol of the Bells.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
New York elected officials wished Bronx residents a safe holiday season, to spread the joy and to gather everyone together, no matter if you're from the Bronx or from another country. Reporting for BronxNet, Yesenia Ramos.